Good morning, friends. Today is 24 January. Let's start today's current affairs session. Question number 1. What is name of longest freight train on the Indian railway network? Answer to this question is Vasuki. And this train is 3.5 km long and with 5 racks. And it is run in Southeastern Central Railway Zone. Question number 2. Who is appointed as the new chairperson of BCCC? Answer to this question is Geeta Mittal. BCCC means Broadcasting Content Complaint Council, and Geeta Mittal is also first woman Chief Justice of J&K High Court, and she is also the first woman chairperson of BCCC. Question number 3. Recently, which sport is included under Khelo India by Ladakh administration? Answer to this question is archery competition. Question number 4. Which state decided to set up new industrial estates? Answer to this question is Gujarat. Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. The state is formed on 1 May 1960. Governor of Gujarat is Acharya Devvrat. CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. Question number 5. Which state will have the largest logistic park to be set up by 2022? Answer to this question is also Gujarat, and the logistic park will be set up in Ahmedabad district of Gujarat near Sanand in Virdhan Question number 6. Which state union territory has come up with industrial land allotment policy 2021 to 2030? Answer to this question is Union Territory Jammu and Kashmir. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Manoj Sinha, and the Union Territory is formed on 31 October 2019. Question number 7. To which field late Narendra Chanchal belongs? Answer to this question is Bhajan singer. Question number 8. Who chairs plenary session of NEC? NEC means North Eastern Council in Shillong. Answer to this question is our Home Minister Amit Shah. Question number 9. Who launched Shram Shakti portal? Answer to this question is Arjun Munda. Arjun Munda is our Union Minister of Tribal Affairs. Question number 10. Who is named as Banker of the Year? Answer to this question is Syam Srinivasan. Question number 11. Where India Africa Trade Council inaugurated? Answer to this question is Chennai. Chennai is capital of Tamil Nadu. The state Tamil Nadu is formed on 26 January 1950. Governor of Tamil Nadu is Banwari Lal Purohit, and CM of Tamil Nadu is T.K. Palaniswamy. Question number 12. Which state has launched Mini Hub? Answer to this question is Telangana. Actually, Mini Hub provides basic diagnostic facilities free of cost to poor. Let me know more about Telangana. Telangana capital is Hyderabad. The state is formed on 2 June 2014. Governor of Telangana is Timilisai Soundararajan, and CM of Telangana is K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Question number 13. Which police academy is best in India? Answer to this question is Rajasthan Police Academy. Let's know more about Rajasthan. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. The state is formed on 30 March 1949. Governor of Rajasthan is Kalraj Misra. CM of Gujarat is CM of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot. Question number 14. Who wins National Ice Hockey Championship, which is going in Ladakh? Answer to this question is ITBP. Which state government launched Swayam scheme? Answer to this question is Assam. Swayam full form is Swami Vivekanand Assam Youth empowerment scheme. Let's know more about Assam. Assam capital is Dispur. The state is formed on 26 January 1950. Governor of Assam is Jagdish Mukhi and CM of Assam is Sarvanand Sonowal. Question number 16. Where is first Adi Mahotsav post pandemic is taking place? Answer to this question is New Delhi. New Delhi Lieutenant Governor is Anil Baijal. CM of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal. Let's discuss last video question. What is name of first non-English language film to win Oscar award? Answer to this question is Parasite. Today is your own question. You have to answer in comment box. Which today we celebrate on 25 January of national importance? You have to answer in comment box. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.